In today's video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube on Samsung Galaxy Watch. I'm using the Watch 8 Classic for the demonstration, but the process I'll show you will work with all Galaxy Watches, be it 8, 7, 6 or Ultra. Before starting with the process, you need to make sure that your Galaxy Watch is connected either to the Wi-Fi or your smartphone, because you will need an active internet connection to use YouTube on your Galaxy Watch. Now to get started, simply swipe up from the home screen and tap on the Play Store icon. There, search for Internet. You will see Samsung Internet there. Tap on the install button to download it. Once it's done, launch Samsung Internet. There, you'll see the YouTube option. Tap on it. Search for any video you want and you're good to go. As you can see, I can scroll using the bezel or the touchscreen. And if you're finding it tricky to reach the corners of the display, just swipe inward from the edges to drag the screen around. Now, if you want a better viewing experience, there's a neat trick. Swipe up from the bottom and enable zoom mode. Now you can zoom in by rotating the bezel clockwise and zoom out by rotating it the other way. It feels very intuitive, especially on the classic model. And while watching the videos in full screen, you can also use the bezel to adjust the volume, which is honestly super convenient.
Completely changed how I think about wearables. In this video, I'll break down my experience, what you gain, what you lose, and which one.
The Watch 8 Classic speakers are decent, but for best YouTube experience on the Galaxy Watch, I prefer pairing it with my Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The sound quality is excellent and the active noise cancellation really helps you stay immersed. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments, would you actually watch YouTube on your Galaxy Watch? Don't forget to subscribe to Wearholic for more cool smartwatch tips and tech videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.